Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm here with a new unboxing. This one's going to be on the CUT60HSV plasma cutter. The CUT60HSV is a high-frequency plasma cutter that's available from Weldpro. This is a great machine. It's durable, it's reliable, and it's a great value to get into plasma cutting. I'm here today to take everything out of the box and show you guys exactly what comes with the CUT60HSV. So one of the first things you'll always find with any Weldpro welder is the instruction manual. Hang on to this instruction manual even if you're not typically inclined to read instructions. This can have some great details for setup as well as troubleshooting. Weldpro goes to great lengths to package our machines so they travel safely. The next thing we'll find is this brown accessory box. This is going to contain all your components for your plasma cutter. Let's set this aside for just a moment. The last thing we find in the box is the CUT60HSV itself. The CUT60HSV is a heavy-duty plasma cutter with easy-to-use controls located on the front and an awesome ergonomic design. Next, let's get into this brown cardboard box and show you exactly what components and accessories will come with your CUT60HSV. The first thing we find located in this accessories box is the 220 volt to 110 volt power converter cable. Now, this is important because all of Weldpro's machines are dual voltage, meaning they can run on 120 volt house outlet power as well as 240 volt shop power. So having this adapter can be useful when you don't have access to 220. The next thing we find located in the box is the ground clamp. This is a heavy-duty ground clamp with a nice bonding strap. This has an upgraded spring that's going to hold a lot tighter than most of the other ground clamps on the market. The last thing we find in the box is the Weldpro plasma torch itself. This is a gorgeous plasma torch, and for a 60 amp cutter, this thing is small. It's very easy to get into tight places, it's comfortable to hold, and I think you're really going to like the design. The last thing you'll find is a clear bag containing some accessories as well as a welding mask. Now, it's important to remember that plasma arc still emits ultraviolet light. Weldpro has included a simple mask type design that will help to protect your vision. We've also included a chipping hammer and wire brush combo, as well as some additional consumables and a flow meter to test your gas flow on your cutting torch. Now, stay tuned for part 2 of the CUT60HSV series, where we're going to show you how to assemble all the components and accessories to this machine to get yourself ready to make your first cut. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. As always, please hit the subscribe button, enable your notifications, and make sure to like the video. Here at Weldpro, we're committed to releasing lots of great tutorial and how-to videos to better help you along your welding journey. Thanks again for watching, and from all of us here at Weldpro, we can't wait to see what you build with your brand new CUT60HSV.